See a record sign?
Yes. Oh, now it's really bright.
Is it working?
Yes, it's working. No, I forgot what I said the first time. 2.6, 5 point, 2 point.
Did you say 2.6 and then the last one 5.6?
Okay. I don't know if it has to do. Okay, so now we're done with the specifications. Never mind. Is this the one? Yes. Okay, now that we're done with the specification of the portable, we move on to the last part of this little 5 hours lecture, which is about the portable receptor. So this is, I just want to make you notice that these are the new models that came out from GE as portable machines. And as upon request, as you can see, we have added wheels to them. And also, very important, you can see the rotor switch has been added. So now technologists can actually take pictures. You know, our engineers really outdo themselves. The most important feature in this portable machine is the IR, called the flash pad, which has 17 billion megapixels. It's a great image resolution. And this is where it's charged. You just have to place it, that slot right there, and it recharges automatically. It has ultra-wideband wireless technology, and you can share it. You can use it with other machines as long as you repair it to the machine you're using. Another very good feature is that the IR is padded. We added that padding for the comfort of our customers, of our patients. So this is going to be more comfortable for them when we try to take X-rays or KUBs in the gurney. Now, this is a very, very strong unit. It's made out of titanium on the side, and it's fairly light, about 35 pounds. Yeah, actually, it's a very strong woman. And I guess the last thing I have to say is that we've heard that some technologists had problems with this specific unit, and it's not really a problem, it's more like a misuse of it. So basically, the unit recharges when it's placed in this slot right here, as I already told you. But if anything will fall in it, like, I don't know, an example would be lead markers or tape, or of course the omnipresent jelly donut, that will prevent the unit from recharging. And what happens is that you go to the room to take the X-ray, and you find out that you don't have enough battery to take the exposure. So what do? Well, we added a flash charge, which takes about 5 minutes to recharge, and it gives you enough juice to take about 2 KUBs, would be like probably 5, 6 chest X-rays. So it's very useful. It's a very useful feature. The thing is that once the IR, once the flash pad runs out of battery, you will need to repair it with the machine you're using, with the portable system you're using at that moment. And basically, I'm going to tell you how to do that right now. What you want to do is hold this button right here for about 2.6 seconds. Actually, not about, it has to be exactly 2.6 seconds. And then, on the unit itself, on the machine, on the portable machine itself, you'll have to enter this very simple and easy to remember code. Our engineers found the easiest one to remember, and the code will be arrow up, arrow down, left, arrow right, arrow left, arrow right, B, A, then you press start. Now, right after you do this, you have about 2 seconds to go back to the IR and repress that button for about 5.6 seconds this time. That will pair the unit to that specific machine that you're using. And a light right here will turn on, telling you that you are paired. And now you can go ahead and take a couple of exposure, and then, but do not forget to remove the jelly donut from the holder. So, yes, that is the only problem. Oh, good question.
I have a question. So you were talking about pressing the button, the second button for 2.6 seconds?
Yes, you have to press this button right here. Yes, go ahead.
That's the first time. Could you repeat the second time? How many seconds do we have to press?
Second time is 5.6 seconds. That's a good question. It has to be specific, precisely 5.6 seconds. Otherwise, it won't work. And that's a very good question. And also, you will notice that the light from here, from red, will switch to blue.
Okay.
And that's when you know that it's paired.
It's right.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
right.
Very good question. And there is any other questions? No, okay. Well, that was it for the repairing and recharging of the FlashPad, GE FlashPad. And guess we're done for today.
Thank God that's over.
I think that was better.